While people are still discussing the latest iPhones on the market, the rumor mill has already jumped several years ahead to something insiders are calling the iPhone 20, or iPhone XX, expected sometime around 2027. And if you look closely at these early leaks, they sound less like realistic product plans and more like a wish list of experimental ideas being exaggerated into headline-grabbing promises. One of the loudest rumors claims Apple is trying to build a completely bezel-less display. The idea is simple. Remove every visible border so the screen stretches across the entire front of the phone. Some leaks even suggest the display could wrap around the sides and continue across the full frame. On paper, it sounds futuristic. In reality, it raises serious questions. Ultra-curved displays have already been tested by several manufacturers, and the results were far from perfect. Another rumor suggests Apple is experimenting with OLED display technology. These panels are supposedly thinner and more power-efficient than current OLED screens. But when you step back, this sounds like a technical tweak rather than a revolutionary breakthrough. Smartphones have already reached a point where display improvements are incremental. The speculation around the front camera and Face ID system is equally ambitious. According to several leaks, Apple wants to place both the selfie camera and Face ID sensors completely under the display. That would mean the end of the dynamic island, with everything hidden beneath the screen until it's needed. It may sound clean and futuristic, but under-display camera technology has already proven problematic. If Apple adopts this approach, it might simply face the same technical limitations that other companies have already discovered. Camera rumors go even further, suggesting Apple could design its own HDR camera sensor instead of relying entirely on established sensor manufacturers. While controlling more of its hardware might sound impressive, creating a competitive camera sensor from scratch is extremely difficult. Companies that specialize in imaging have spent decades refining their technology. The design itself could also take a strange turn. Because of the curved glass concept, Apple may remove physical buttons altogether and replace them with touch-sensitive controls along the sides of the display. But the industry has already tried this approach before, and it rarely works well. Battery technology might change too, with rumors pointing to silicon anode batteries, which can store more energy in the same space. On top of that, leaks mention a new HBM AI memory system designed specifically for artificial intelligence tasks. If these rumors somehow become reality, the iPhone 20 could launch around 2027, possibly starting at $1,199 or more. But at this stage, the iPhone 20 looks less like a confirmed future device and more like a concept fueled by speculation. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.